Hey guys, it is our beginning of new series. We are going to talk about some useful apps. This is Sukhwani Kapil and you are watching SK Talks.
Guys, today we are going to talk about some of the very useful app. And first app is Life Page app. This app is must have app for all the students who have just passed their 10th standard and are confused in selecting their course between arts, science and commerce. Suppose you want to select science, and in science you want to select medical, and in medical you want to select homeopathy. This app will give you some of the videos of the famous or successful homeopathists like Dr. Rajendra Kumar Trivedi, and if you are opening video you will get the information who is talking in this video and what they are going to talk when you are playing video. And if you don't want to watch whole video, you can tap on the video, and here you can see the timestamp. If you want to go directly on any special point, like I want to go on dosage, patience selection and other things. The best thing about this app, it will allow you to do self assessment. Let me show you what is self assessment. Self assessment is a thing, this app will ask you questions according to minimum skills required to do homeopathy. You have to give answers real you have to give answers truly to know your index or interest in homeopathy. After completing your assessment, here app is showing how much you have completed your assessment. Okay. I have completed my assessment. After completing, you have to calculate your dream index. In your dream index, it will show you how much you are interested in homeopathy. Like I am interested 52 from the 100 in homeopathy. So homeopathy is not for me. Other best app is Hyperlapse app. This app is developed by the Microsoft, and this app is must have app for the all YouTubers who are shooting their videos with the help of phone and they want to shoot hyperlapse videos. This app will help you in that. Suppose I am recording hyperlapse of my phone cover. Okay, I am start shooting. I have completed the hyperlapse of my phone cover. You can also increase or decrease the speed of your hyperlapse video in this app, and you have to save your hyperlapse. Okay. And third app is my favorite app. This app is must have app for the all game lovers. In this app you will get the information about the game and minimum system requirement to play that game, and this app also suggests you recommended CPUs and GPUs to run that game very smoothly. Suppose I am selecting this game and you are seeing this app is giving me information of minimal requirement of both type of CPUs like Intel and AMD, and also GPUs of Nvidia and AMD, also giving me recommendations of CPUs and GPUs. And other best thing about this app, you can also input your system in this, and this app will give you that you will able to run that game in your system or not. Like you have to select your CPU, GPU and RAM. Second last app is a starter blog. This is must have app for all the blog beginners. This app will give you all the information about blog you want to know before starting your blog, like what is a blog, how to create a blog, how to use a WordPress, and also free blog sites. Here you can see WordPress and their information, bloggers, goals. So you will get much information about blog before starting it. You have to just try this app before starting the blog. And last app is phone code. This app is really useful when you are buying any second hand phone. If your mobile manufacturer company is not given here, you can go to the Android. Here you can see some of the USSG code are given and their description. Suppose you are buying any second hand phone and you have to test some of the things like your GPS test, different type of GPS, LCD test, audio test. So you have to just type this USSG code in your phone dialer, and your phone will auto check your display, touch, vibration, backlight, everything. So you will get the maximum value for your money before buying any second hand phone. So you have to try this USSD code in your phone before buying the second-hand phone. I will give you link of all the apps in my description below. If you like my video, please thumbs up and also subscribe my channel for more this type of videos. Thank you for watching.